I feel as if me I'm mad you. You see me, I feel as if me I'm mad out right now. You see me, I'm tired right now, man. You see me, I'm just there, me I say, oh.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, this video right here is a cry for help. It's a cry for help from a young man that does not want to have to resort to crime. Let me repeat that. He does not want to have to resort to crime. But him feel like he's being backed in a corner. Him say everything him try fails. And right now him feel like he has had enough. Him a cry out for help, people. Watch it, and you're not going to understand what me I talk about.
Actually, no, morning. Anybody will get that video. You see me? Yo, right now, I'm frustrated, you see me? I'm frustrated bad. Actually, everything when me try, just a feel, just a feel, so. I want him to me, so. Come on, I know me there, I'm going to need him to understand how I feel. You see me? I get to one work, there's an issue. Get to a different work now, there's a bomber issue again. What's so? So what? What kind of crime me want commit in a life so make them thing have to reach me, so come on. You see me right now, I'm in the street and most people just start rob people. God no. You see me? Yo, I have it hard in my life, you know. You see me? And me I try. You see me, like me not try, me I try. You see me, me don't want to do the wrong thing. You see me I try to do the right thing all the while. You see me, but it's hard. You see me, you don't even understand. It's hard for me. You see me I try my best to stay up on the right path and to do it right. And everything me try I fail. Everything. You see me stress out now, man. I'm tired, right? You see me tired, right? Everything me try I fail. Yes, I know I do wrong things in my life, but come on, man. You see me tired right now. You see me, everything I try just I fail. You see me, my tongue by my face, my there. You see me, I can't run to my mother or my father and say, yo, help me. You see me, I'm tired of this now, man. And I'm there, me and people just start rob down a bag of people, youth. You see me, some people don't even understand it. Them just see me and just see, say, oh, boy, they are bad boy and thing. You see me, they would even understand the hurt of me I go through it, I say, you. You see me, I'm tired of this now, man, brother. I don't feel I can't bear it no more. I feel as if I'm mad, you. You see me, I feel as if I'm mad out right now. You see me, I'm tired right now, man. You see me, I'm just there, I say, yo, only even understand it, brother. You see me, I'm literally frustrated with myself. You see me, like me, I say, yo, why? You see me, every time I get a start, something happen. You see me, yo, only even understand right now, you know, you. People just, you don't even know. Yo, hear me, I say still, you see me, anybody get that video, don't just pray for me. You see me, that's how me I beg you. Just pray for me, because any given moment now, you can just say, yo, one people listen to their pan. You see me, because I'm tired. You see me, I run up and down this one. You see me, anything will happen. You see me, I know me in the street and you know, I'm not even say it. You see me, yo, must have beg you, just pray for me. That's all I can say. You see me.
Now after I posted that video to my social media page on Instagram, several persons reached out to me wanting to assist this young man. Everybody want to help him. So if you know him, reach out to me on Instagram or even send me a WhatsApp and say, Unstoppable, I know this young man. Have him contact me because several persons has reached out wanting to give him a helping hand, but nobody knows where to find him. Even the opposition leader, Mr. Mark Golden, wants to give this man a helping hand as well, which is a good look. So may I ask you right now, if you don't know him, anyone on right now that knows this young man, please reach out to me on Instagram at unstoppablelivtv, or you can send me a WhatsApp and let me know where I can reach him so that he can get some positive help. He really don't want to resort to crime. But we know when you feel like you're back against the wall, that's how I'm going to go through right now. Alright? So may I ask you once again, if you don't know him, anybody here knows where he can be found, just contact me at the number on the screen, or you can reach out to me on Instagram at unstoppablelivtv so that we can get him some help. Again, several persons reached out to me wanting his information so them can help him. And one of those persons who wants to help him is the leader of the opposition, Mr. Mark Golding. Alright? Now, on another topic. Viewers, even though the one had done pass and gone, it was a 9-day talk and then something else take precedence and we forget about that. Or so them want we believe. You don't remember when the one that did a party for no movement day, the minister there? Yeah, and him never get charged or arrested or nothing like that. And then after him resign, we see people come and say, yo, you know, he needs to be reinstated and then put out petition and all of that. Well, you know, Jamaican Carlos I say, yo, the man done resign. Make him go bill. Why not talk about reinstate both? The man I say, yo, politicians must be held accountable. And I agree with Carlos. Make we listen.
Let me tell you something, Jamaica. The other day, the police, Jamaican police, went to this woman's house, find a big gun. It was on social media. Remember the woman also, the police go find a gun, big old gun. Guess what the Jamaican people say? Instead of the Jamaican people say, thank you God, thank you police officers for this, for doing an incredible job to get this one gun off the street. There will be one less gun off the street. Take this weapon. The Jamaican people say, I must somebody snitch on her. I thought them say, I must somebody inform. Remember, you know, police take off a gun off of the street that can kill me and you. We have 20 odd murders over the last weekend in my country. That is leaking out. But instead of Jamaican people say, good job, squaddy. Them say, I must somebody snitch. I must somebody call the police. I must somebody this. I must somebody inform and then. That's how I mean I trust people. And most of them are women, not people. Women who've been treated like garbage and dogs. Women who get them head cut off. Women who get them throat slashed. Women who man treat like a dirt. Women who come out and talk about say, I must somebody snitch. Instead of saying the police did a wonderful job. No. Let's forward now to Mr. Green's situation here. If the video never come out, we wouldn't see this. So the video came out and Mr. Green was in a bad light, doing something wrong. No. Instead of the people them say, good. Thank God for the video come out because while the rest of us were here, locked down in our house, he out there pop champagne and I talk about, yay, no movement day. I jeered the no movement day. But instead of people them come out and say that, you know the people them come out and say, I will video it. I will video it. I Judas video it. Is he person video it? What if I hear me I say? Same thing again, same thing. I will video it like we must see it. I will video it. Don't blame the person who was videoing the thing. If you was listening, you would have heard somebody said, post it tomorrow. Did you hear that? So everybody was going along with it. Don't blame the person who did it, family. You was listening and say, post it tomorrow, because tomorrow sounds like tomorrow was a day when the country is going to be opened up. And today, when it was happening, they was keeping the function. It was a no movements day. So if you can listen to the video, somebody was saying, post it tomorrow, post it tomorrow. So basically, video today and post it tomorrow. So it is a joint effort among everybody. So don't blame the person who video it. Because you know the person who video it right now can't sleep at night time. The person who video it, I do it up themselves. Me, I tell yourself, me the tape that they sitting there and all them, the thing I go out with people, family. Imagine you're looking up. If I hear that sing and say, all who feel I not get no but hide themselves in a peanut trash. Who remember that? You want to hide yourself in a peanut trash if this were you. Imagine if you were the one to record this. And all them my head are broke loose. Minister lads, his ministry, hanging on threads. Councillor get kicked out. Other people resign. Imagine if you were the one who videoed this. You know, easy for you. But they did the right thing. And if you start back slap this Jamaica, because we never think, but no, me see a petition I go on to reinstate Mr. Floyd Green. Family, I have no doubt that Mr. Floyd Green was doing a wonderful job. No doubt. I did video before. I have videos on my page about Floyd Green and the work he's doing as a young man out there. Me see it. Was doing a good job in agriculture. All the Shah do it now, all them old man if you go one side. All the Shah need for us resign. Stop sitting in a place where young people must come shine. All the Shah, resign. Stop sitting in a seat where young people come shine. You see a man like Floyd Green, how much more young people out there like him want to come in? All the Shah, leave the scene. You can't talk when I hear your voice clean. You know hear the words from him? Can you hear the words coming out of All Shah mouth? But anyway, back to this topic. We soon say no one reinstate Floyd Green. No, we don't care have it both ways, you know. Because politicians are not held accountable in my country. So the one look at time we see one politician held accountable. We don't want to bad up the prime minister and say, yo boss, bring back the man to what not talk about. Floyd Green must take him punishment and go sit down. And go bill. If I hear as we Jamaicans say, take your punishment and go bill, boss. When a man say go bill, what do you think a man say? When a Jamaican say, yo, just go and go bill, my youth. When you hear Jamaica say go and go bill, what do you think it mean? When in Floyd Green case, take your punishment and go bill. Because it could have been more severe. Your punishment could have been worse. You could have get kicked out of even being an MP, see where it could have been worse. Me here Jamaican people are bad for Floyd Green got jail. So we're not talking about reinstate about. Me here people are saying if you got jail like anybody else. That's what me hear people saying on social media. So all you are talking about if you reinstate, you better quiet. Because there's another part of social media bad for Floyd Green and the couple of them face jail time just like anybody else who got jail. What the female say? So the one look time the prime minister move with any look of balls and spine and say about discipline, anything boy. You don't want to come talk about reinstate. We as Jamaica too. Yo, what do we say? What do we say? Listen to me. There's no doubt that Floyd Green was a good over the agriculture department. And so are you as a father to your family when police lock you up because you do something wrong. Do you think when police lock you up because you break the law, police are care about, oh, you was a good father, you take care of your child and you keep the roof over their head? Do you think police give a damn if I and I break the rule now? Say me take care of my parents them and I me alone this and I me alone that. No. There's consequences. There are consequences for our actions. So that's why a lot of fathers are not home today who are breadwinners to their family. And even they were the sole breadwinner. If you do wrong out there, you face a consequence. You are being removed from that home. You're sent to prison. Go face a time. They just don't care if you alone take care of your mother. You alone take care of your child. So how we gonna sorry for Floyd Green because we get punishment? Like him at the best for agriculture. Yes, we know that family. There's no doubt. Family, I do video on that. But a man must face his consequences. So if he do wrong, so all because he's good at agriculture, he must get no punishment. Oh, do not touch him. This man is doing a good job on agriculture. No, that's Mr. No, matter of fact, that's Mr. Floyd Green in there. Oh, do not go in that door. He's the man, Minister of Agriculture, doing a wonderful job. Do not punish him. He can't do any wrong. And Mr. Someone account at that about reinstatement. No! Some set of Jamaica people want Floyd Green and him passive. He got jail like everybody else. They want him to go jail like everybody else. Floyd Green lucky my MP. He's still an MP. He just missed it. He just a part of the ministry family. Step down from being a Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries. But he can build again. He can go build. Family, take a punishment. The man come out and write him nice, decent letter of resignation. I read the man letter and I let him read it to us. The man accept the facts him wrong. All over the letter, the man tell you that he's wrong, don't it? The man tell us say wrong and him say accept, right? While come down the pike, he accept that. He didn't come out there with no Google Gaga. He didn't come out there and beg nothing. He come out there and he wrote a good letter. And he stand up. He stand up to his responsibility. He's been responsible in his letter. If you listen to the letter and read it, he's been responsible and the man accepts it in wrong. And he fold up like a chair because it's clear that bro God come down upon them. It's clear. And so if the video never go out there, he wouldn't go out there. Wouldn't know about it. So, yo, Jamaica, we are not used to accountability. Someone say, oh, where someone now come and talk about reinstate the man. Me no business now. A farming community we come from. We come from farming parish. So we know this man do a good job. But me not bar for reinstatement. Just like when the father, who is your sole breadwinner of the home, do something wrong and go to prison. Something your pitney messed up because that is no longer in the home in their prison serve time. Pitney gonna live with mama, run the street, do all type of stuff. But daddy did something wrong and daddy must pay for it. It's costly. It costs daddy life, it costs daddy time. At the expense of your kid who's going to be without a father for a long time until you come back behind your stupidity as a man. When police send you off to, judge send you off to prison, they don't care, family, how good of a father you were, or you're the best co-worker at your job, or you own a business. You know how many people who own a business did wrong and have to go to jail? You're no longer there, your business shut down. Your workers cannot come to, when they come to work this morning, they were surprised that the boss is arrested. Who's going to run the business now? Oh, I don't know. Nobody can run the business better than this boss. I think we're going to fold. I think this business is going to shut up. Guys, your last paycheck this week, we're going to put out these orders and this place is going to shut down. The good boss who's providing a job for all these people is going to jail because he did something wrong. The business that provides for so many people is going to be shut down because the boss did something wrong. So there are consequences for our action. People may don't love me on social media, some of them don't. But me not vast amount of them love Carlos. So even though they love me and get up every day for my video them, if I do something wrong, I must go to jail to pay for it. Even though they don't love me, if I do something wrong, I must go to jail to pay for it, and I must pay the cost for it. Not because they love me, Carlos have a job to do, you know. They get up every day if you watch Carlos, you know, so Carlos have a morning coffee though. Carlos have a morning coffee, we get up every day if you watch Carlos, but if Carlos did something wrong and I'm not here no more because police lock up my ass, Carlos may have deserved that. So in a Mr. Floyd Green case, make the man go and go sit down and lick him wound. So how the better example is going to set if the Prime Minister let go every bad actor? We don't see man beat his wife with stool. He get Lego. We don't sit out for a few. And he roll back in. You know? So Floyd Green for go and take him punishment, family. It's the first time you see anything like this where a man is held accountable for anything. You understand me? So Floyd Green are going to take him punishment. Rightfully so, it could have worse because a portion of Jamaica people, so Floyd Green must step down as the MP. Some are saying to go to jail like everybody else. So if I got that Floyd Green I get, brother, that's not family. If I got that Floyd Green I get, he just chop off in portfolio as a minister. But he must still MP, member of parliament. Remember that. So he must go take him a punishment and go bill.
Now there you have it. Carlos has spoken. I'm going to talk me down below in the comment section. Do you agree or disagree with Carlos? Do you feel like Jamaican politicians should be held accountable? In the case of Floyd Green right there, for example, he came out, he apologized, he resigned, but he's still an MP, as Carlos said. He not resigned from politics totally. So, I mean, what's the point of talking about reinstate him or give him a higher position? And, boy, may I tell you, this politics thing, yeah. Yo, talk to me down below. And viewers, may I go remind you once again, anybody knows this young man, please reach out to me on Instagram at unstoppablelivetv or send me a WhatsApp and let's get him some help so that him not have to resort to crime. Him not have to resort to go robbing nobody. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.